Hello friends, welcome to my channel on Siddharth's Coding Art. Today, I will be giving you a brief tutorial in how to change the color of your text. Mostly when you print your code, you write a print statement, you see that your text color is white, and you should sometimes think that the white color is so boring. So to change and to make our games interactive, like our command line interface games uh, can be made interactive by changing the print colors. So the same I'll be showing you in this tutorial. Watch this video till end, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, it's free. And if you like this video, please also like it. Now dive deeply into it and see how to change the color of our text. So first of all, I have chosen a text hello coders. So I will try to change the color of it. You can see when I write just print it normally, the color is white. And today I will be showing you a module called Colorama. So to install it, you have to write a pip install Colorama. So now I'm using the Windows machine. If you want the same tutorial in Mac, really every code is same in Mac and Windows. So no problem if you use any machine. So now what I'll do, you can see that requirement already satisfied because I have used this Colorama previously also. So what I'll do, I'll write here import Colorama, and I will this tutorial mostly does not work in Windows computer, like in command prompt and in Windows PowerShell it does not work. But if you use the terminal by Visual Studio Code, you will see the colored text. 100% sure that it will show you the colored text if you use the Colorama module in the Visual Studio Code terminal. So mostly it will not work in your normal CMD, and if you right click and on the Windows icon and click Windows PowerShell, it will not work. So I will prefer you to use Visual Studio Code and its terminal. So now I am using Visual Studio Code and its terminal. So you can see that there is a yellow colored line under the Colorama. This shows that I have not till now used it. So ignore it. So now what I'll do, I will write something that which will change the color. So what you have to write, you have to write your colorama dot here for dot. And there are so many colors. Any color you can use. So I will use my favorite color, so which is red. And I will write like this plus. So what it will do, it will add the color red to our the text hello coders. So let's try it. Let me just save this and run this. So you can see that it changed the color, and you can see it as written hello coders. So it's good, but why it has changed the color of this thing? So I will show you how to fix this thing also. It has changed the this color also PSD drive, and if you want this at a normal color, you have to just write here plus colorama dot 4 dot reset. So what is the error in this is that after also running the code, what it will do, it will change the color of the terminal which use. So terminal mostly use the color white, but now we have changed it by writing this code, which has now changed it for till here only. That is why it has written this thing. So to reset this and tell the terminal that after writing this hello coders in red, anything after this, don't change the color of it. Keep it, and or else we can say that reset the color. Anything is there after this text, reset the color means change it to again the normal. So let's now run this and see. Now you can see that our code is working. It has written hello coders in red, but our this PSD drive is now white color. So there are many colors which you can use. Like I will show you some. Let me just use the blue color. I will save this and I will run this. You can see now hello coders is written in blue. I will do same with the green color. I'll run this and you can see now hello coders in green. And there are many more colors. You can scroll through it and see which color you like to keep in your game, or to do some funny interaction or cool interaction with your user. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.